Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate Instacart shopper cart. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to activate your Instacart shopper cart, what you need to do is first apply for it. So what you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in creditcards.chase.com, and once you do that, here you'll be seeing something like this on your home screen. Now all you gotta do is sign in with your credentials and then apply for the Instacart shopper card. Now once you are done with that, after a couple of business days you will receive your card. Now in order to activate it, what you need to do is head over to the Instacart help center or Instacart Mastercard, and you will be redirected to the help center. Now there you need to scroll all the way down until you find the number that is shown right here. Now all you gotta do is simply call this number and then tell them that you have received your card, and then follow the process and they will activate your card. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.